Traders, we are back again with one more setup, and this time it is GBPCAD. Now, I did not record the entry video for this because I did not find time. So, I took this trade on 21st of May 2026 at this price. When you see this black line at 8508 something, okay. So, let me show you the screenshot actually. So you could see that GBP it is closed now. It is closed with profits on 25th, but I took this trade on 21st of May, 4 days ago. Okay. So we entered at 85087 as you can see and exit at 86425 today. So we made around 133 pips in this trade. Cool. So I did not record the entry video because I am too busy. There are too many trades which I have to go through. Anyway, so 8508 is the entry, 8642 is the exit. So if I come back to the chart again, you can see here my bottom black line showing where did I enter, and the top black line is when the price touched my take profit just today, half an hour, maybe 15 minutes ago. Okay, so we are walking out with 130 pips in this trade. All right. Cool. So if you want these setups before they actually happen, then you can go and join the program. The first link below this YouTube video, or maybe you are already on a sales page. Okay. And if not, then you will watch these videos, but only after when the move is already done and I have walked away with profits. So that's it. I can't help you if you don't help yourself. So the way you can help yourself is by joining the program. So I don't know what else to say, man. There are tons of proofs on the page. Okay, there are like number of videos which you can see, and it is not just luck by chance. Okay, you can be lucky once, twice, thrice, four times, five times, 10 times, but not like this. There are plenty of videos, more than 20 videos, I guess, so far, and I'm planning to upload thousands of videos. Okay, this is only the beginning of what is coming. So we entered here, we are out here. It is not about 100 pips, 30 pips, 50 pips, 1000 pips. It is about being correct. When I said here we're gonna go up, we went up. That's it. It's about the direction, it's about the prediction. If I am going to say it's gonna up, and if it goes up, that makes me happy. It doesn't make me happy if I made 50 pips or 100 pips. That's related to money. But what makes me happy is about being correct. That what gives me pleasure, that I was right. Okay, that's what makes you a trader. So anyways, if you want to work with me, go and join the program, first link below, and I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, see you again.